Hello everyone, it's Frances with your Book of Memories right here in my hands. I've got one of the most beautiful, fantastic books I've ever seen in my entire life, and I cannot wait to show it to you. This mini album was created by an extremely special friend and student, Megan. She's actually a Navy veteran, so Megan, thank you so much for this incredible opportunity to connect with you through your artwork, and thank you for servicing our country. You're just an absolute superstar. I don't think I've ever seen a book this fun in my entire life. It's fantastic fun, bright and bold, and just so well put together. I cannot wait to show it to you. She is one of our community members, and she participated in one of our group challenges, and she created the Petals mini album. And I cannot tell you how super duper fun this entire book is right here. She used Echo Park Telling Our Story paper collection for this. All the different elements that she added throughout this is just mind-blowing. We've got a beautiful like Polaroid picture style frame going on here, which is fantastic, by the way, Megan. Wow, the proportions fit perfectly on here. Love how you use that rainbow stripe paper. And you even added some more little elements back here. I would have never thought to do that. Look at this cute little tab that pulls out. And then snapshots of our life sticker right on the front. I mean, what a different little switch on a front cover design. Remember this sticker right there? Absolutely fantastic. You got like a little tab going on to kind of, sink that right on there. That is brilliant. I can't believe how gorgeous this is. I'm just blown to bits right now. Absolutely amazing. Look at this. Oh my gosh, and we have a cute little photo spot on the back. I love your journaling lines. That little twist and a little heart and a piece of twine right there at the top. This is so awesome. I love it so much. I love your layering here too. Look what she did. I think these might actually be hand journaling lines around this little scallop circle punch. That turned out beautiful. Love your little spray of leaves here and your wonderful popped up banner. This just came together fantastic. First thing I noticed about this, Megan, was this amazing little die cut squiggle that just happens to fit. You probably did this on purpose, but it fits perfectly right here and I love it. It adds just this nice bold touch to the spine here. And I didn't see this on your community post at first, but it looks like you came back and added some fantastic chipboard tags. Look at this. What a fun addition. It looks like you actually mounted those yourself and put them on some chipboard. I never thought to do that either. And attached it with some beautiful cotton twine. I mean, is that not fantastic? Look at this. I have a beautiful little sticker collection going on in the back. She kind of just did it up like this. Never seen that before. How fantastic and fun. Laughing Craft Creations. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to be asking you about that in a minute. I love it. Let's go ahead and get on the inside now. I'm blown away. Oh gosh. I mean, wow. I don't have any words. I'm blown away. I mean, look at the color balance. Look at it. I mean, I don't even know where to start. I can't even believe I'm having the opportunity to see your book in person, Megan. Thank you again so much. Look at this. Let's start right here. Look at this array of simple design little elements that you put there. Layered up. Have beautiful contrasting bold little doodle hearts from a sticker collection. And this stamp as a photo indicator is way too cute. This element slips out right here and you can hold 4 photos here. And on the back, look at this cute little additional little banner piece here and the cute little words and sentiments with the little plant. I mean, and do you see the sprinkles in this cardstock? This is the most fun I've ever had looking at a book. I'm looking at it and my eyes are just happy dancing right now. I'm having so much fun just like looking. I just can stare at this. I could stare at this forever. Look at this. You can hold about 40 pictures in this entire book. These are the stories that made us who we are today. Look at this collection of little different pieces. You layered that beautifully right on top of a banner. You gave it a nice little platform to be on and pop that cute little typewriter up. In love. Okay, where did you get this cardstock? Question for you to answer later on. This story matters. Love that banner. Beautiful piece there. I mean, the colors that you chose. I love how you went to the edge of the paper here for this one. I love seeing that twine come through. This amazing, kind of more of an orange pigmented craft paper is just gorgeous. These are beautiful little pouches here. Before I open the pouch, let's get a close-up. Look at this little swirl of twine right here. A nice element bouncing throughout the book. What a beautifully balanced album. I mean, the pops of stickers are all in the right places. It's just tickling my heart. It's just making me I don't even know what to say. Let the album speak for itself. Look at this. These open up. You put little... Okay, first time looking through this. You put little areas for journaling. That's genius. Maximizing the album design. Oh, look at this beautiful little notch here. These slide out beautifully. Look at these elements. Oh, you put a sticker on the actual tag. I never thought to do that, and you backed it with, oh my goodness, this is my #1 favorite sprinkle paper. Okay? 100% obsessed. Never seen paper like this. Only back in the day when I was a kid, I saw paper like that. I never thought to use it as a, you used it as, you know me, I'm a fanatic for rainbows. So that sprinkle paper has my heart and soul. Love this notch. It looks a bit smaller than the typical We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch board notch. Love that little tie right there. Take a look at this little dainty punch. What a fantastic little addition. It just balances the whole composition out. Look at this. There's more fun goodies in here. Oh my goodness. I love how you back this on a different cardstock color than the actual base of the album. Beautiful switch up, beautiful balance. So much playfulness going on in here. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? This is amazing. This, I'm going to need to come back and do that. I love your little ticket stub corners right there. Look at that. So much inspiration pulling from this book. Love the size of your corner rounding going on here for your flaps here. Amazing. Right on the back of these pouches, we've got some more picture space, but look what she did here. Beautiful assembly of stickers there. Layered up. More of this, man, I can't even believe. You just made plain white paper exciting and fun. I need to know where this paper's at so I can get some myself. Because wow. Look at the joy going on. It matches perfect. It goes perfect with the collection. I couldn't even imagine a better cardstock to be where to put the picture at. I mean, wow. A couple little wallet pictures right here. Love this assembly. Megan, you're on a whole nother level. This is just gorgeous. I love how you actually edge cut that sticker there to kind of unify that piece, and you manipulated it to work for your book. I love it. Leaving a legacy. That's exactly what you've done here, because this is one of the most beautiful books I've ever had the chance to connect with. I'm having so much fun right now. It's inexplicable at this point. Photos inside. I love how she popped that up and put the little pencils behind and a couple more sentiments. A very traditional approach here. You must have been scrapbooking for quite some time. Her friend has called her the memory preserver, a fancy name for scrapbooking. Scrapbooker. Is that not fantastic? Here's another beautiful pouch. Love that. You're bringing out that black and white. Perfect balance. Oh, and there's a little fun little guy hanging out right here. How fun. Instead, you know what? I'm going to have to do something like that for mine coming up. Look at the goodies. She went around with a journaling pen. Is that fantastic or what? Let's see on the back of this. Gorgeous. Love that look at the little loops in the corners. Genius. Absolutely genius. You are an absolute true artist right here. Look at this. I mean, you're adding on to what is normally a flat element. It's kind of just the paper, but you're adding to the paper because this has a shine and a lift and personality. I never thought to do that to a piece. Love this corner element right here. Again, she left that open so you can tuck a picture under. And the same thing with this. That is so cute. Love it. 3x5 spots, wallet size pictures, 5x7s and 4x6s. This has turned out fantastic. I can't get enough of this. I mean, I'm just having a blast. Absolutely gorgeous. All these go right back in here. And a beautiful magnetic closure. Look at that. On the back of this, oh, love it. Nice fussy cut image here. Beautiful 5x7 photo spot. This one's definitely going in the scrapbook. That is adorable. Love that. Kind of deep teal, sort of a phthalo green kind of color there. Unbelievable. Another wallet size picture. I like how you put that one down there. Sometimes you don't know the value of a moment until it becomes a memory. That's so true. I mean, look at this whole array of gorgeousness. I can't say enough good things about this. Oh my gosh, okay, there's more. You did wonders with this paper pack. You absolutely did wonders with this paper pack. I mean, look at this. Popped up elements. So well balanced. Love your sentiments mixing with the images. That just always adds such a perfect touch. This opens up again. I love you just added like this nice big loop. It's kind of like a real tag. Instead of just a spray, it's, you know, I'm going to wear this as a bracelet. I mean, this is awesome. You could just... This is so cool. I've never seen that done before. Stories are photos and words making magic together. Is that not true? I am blown away by your color matching, your beautiful pair and patterns, and just look at this. She did it again. Genius. Adding stickers onto a plain old little cut apart. It makes it so much more personal. And these go right back in there. And then you did it again right here. I love it, Megan. You got another little area here for little writing spots. Love how you just stuck that. I mean, it's so fun. It's playful. It's loose. It's whimsical. But it's so well, concise, and put together. I'm just blown to bits. Look at this beautiful scallop corner here for these little pieces. I think that's the We Are Memory Keeper's little scallop corner punch. Let's look inside this cute pocket. What did she put in this one? Look at her doing it up. That's the Meghan style right there. That's what I'm going to call it now. If I ever do this technique, I'm going to call it the Meghan style. This is awesome. We all have a story to tell. Look at this fun. Look at this fun. If this doesn't bring a smile to your face, I don't know what will. This is the cutest book I've ever touched in my life. I am so lucky. Let's look on the back of these ones. Let's see what she did. Wow. Just perfect. It's just 100% perfect. Love that cute little sticker there. Just a nice pop and balance. Love that you chose this green again. We've got the yellow divided by the... I mean, it's just perfect. I'm obsessed. I'm 100% obsessed with this. Look at her little decals in the corner here. And again, another little cute insert that slides right out. Love those typewriters. And then a fantastic little array here. I mean, look at this. There is an astronomical amount of inspiration that I'm getting from your book, Meghan. I cannot believe that I'm touching it right now. I've never seen so much beauty in my entire life. I'm really just speechless. These are the stories I hope we never forget. I will never forget connecting with your book today. This is incredible. And I have to say, this was actually my favorite class to teach. I had the most fun that I've ever had teaching a class, and I really just have to say thank you again so much, Meghan, for this opportunity to connect with you through your artwork. You hung out with me to make this along with me, and I'm so glad you participated in the challenge. Good luck on the drawing, and I just cannot say enough good things about your book. I feel like I'm dreaming. It's beautiful, and you have really an incredibly artistic talent that speaks volumes in this artwork that you've produced. I'm giving you a big warm hug right now, Meghan. Thank you again so much. You are just an absolute star to me. And I'll see everyone next time. Bye.